Automating container panel assembly, powered by the Huayan Robotics E-Series collaborative robot. A smart automation upgrade for aluminum profile manufacturers. Dual station system with linear track. Station 1, 2 robots for side panel screwdriving. Station 2, 2 robots for center beam screwdriving. Seamless process flow. Panels move automatically between stations. Vision-guided screwdriving. Positioning and screwdriving in one smooth motion. For narrow spaces and blocked views, the robot is tilt-mounted to extend its reach. Wide view vision enables flexible positioning. Fully automated screwdriving. Less manual work. Higher consistency, breaking production bottlenecks with automation.